iski English mein especially translation, this is very important for the people who do not understand Urdu, who do not understand Punjabi. He has written it in a very, very simple manner. Anybody can understand simple words. You can understand from where your holy prophet came from. And it's all about holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Everything revolves around Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His incentives is everything related to mere Aqa, and he has written it beautifully. We all should be thankful to him, and we are wishing you best of luck, Nadeem bhai. With Almighty Allah bless you. Our prayers are with you, and inshallah I hope you will do great in future. You will do further more and more. Once you start doing something positive in a right direction, with every step you take in the right direction, I tell you, Allah Almighty bless you and He helps you in this direction. So your work becomes a lot easier. What you think of it, when you start, it looks, how will I do it? It's tough. It's a tough job. But when you start in the right direction, Allah Almighty helps you, and it becomes very easy. So all the prayers, Almighty Allah bless you. Allah Ta'ala meri